Hey, listen, no? You see that red subscribe button over there? Nothing. Just hit it. And this bell icon, ring that bell to know every time I come online. Give me a like, cause it's free. How to make a DIY all natural homemade aloe vera face serum and mist both. I love aloe vera plants immensely. I get asked about how I look younger than my age, and I think I can attribute a lot of it to aloe vera's presence in my life. I grow them in every city I go. I've been making this serum and mist every summer since so many years now. You can use the ready-made aloe vera that comes in a bottle, but straight from the leaf without any chemicals, any parabens is always the best. And it is what I recommend for the ultimate moist, clear, glowing skin results. So the way to cut it is just cut it with a knife and then leave it in like a 45-degree angle, and there are a lot of juices that flow down from it. Like aloe vera has a certain fluid running through itself, which is like a protective covering. It keeps all the insects and a lot of things out. It's like a repellent. Aloe vera is the gel inside this, but this plant, this leaf, this is from cactus family. You see all these, it's from cactus family, and it has that fluid running through it. So when you cut it and you keep it in a 45-degree angle, some yellowish liquid flows out of it. Let it flow out. Once that fluid is out, then the aloe vera is good for consumption. However, that yellow fluid that flows out is used in Ayurveda. It is used in kids when they don't have proper bowel movements. It's used for that. It's a laxative. You see this yellowy stuff? This color fluid is what is going to flow out. Yellowy, gummy stuff. How do we cut this leaf? This is a very juicy one. Can you see how full it is? It's been few days for it, so it's not juicy. You can see it's gotten a little bit of concave over here. See that? It's become concave. Just something to keep in mind in case you guys want to cut a lot of leaves and keep them. The best thing is cut them and use them as per you need. I'm gonna take this and give it a good cut at the sides like that. Now we are going to remove this layer. Just put a small cut here like so and take it down. What you have is something like this. You don't need to waste it. What I do is I just apply it on my hand like that, and then whatever is left, pinch it again. Whatever you get from it, apply it on your hand again. I don't know if you guys can hear, but actually I have a lot of birds chirping. Do you hear that? Okay, so what we have is something like this. We're just going to take a spoon, scrape it off and collect it in a bowl. So we're going to take this, and you can see I've removed one covering, and I'm going to give it some cuts. We don't want to cut it all the way till here. We want this covering to remain like that, because if this gets cut, then we don't have grip to scrape it off. Ants are biting me. Okay, taking the bowl, and now we are going to start scraping. So when you start scraping, what you get is something like this. You see there's a little bit of gummy substance, but don't worry, that's part of aloe vera. What I have so far looks something like this. I'm gonna do the same with this big leaf. Oops, sorry. And then I'm gonna show you how to convert this cube-like structures into fluid. As you can see, I have done some major cutting and some major aloe vera collecting. Oops. Put this like so. I'm not like going to add much water because aloe vera as it is water. I've added a little bit of water. Still some pieces are there, like I can see some pieces. We are now going to filter it. Just squeeze it with the spoon. Let's take a little bit more. I leave it like that for like 5-10 minutes and it sort of filters itself. It's very important that it should be able to come out of the nozzle. So what we have is something like this. It's a gummy, gluey kind of a fluid. Now I want to transfer this onto my bottle. And whatever little I have transferred, I'm going to test out if it's coming out from the nozzle or not. It's coming out like this. Just going to take it in my hands and apply it like a serum. Use it regularly for 2 weeks and see the difference. Perfect for summers, never oily, never greasy, but very moisturizing. You can see that's the outcome, that's how the skin is looking after. How do we convert this serum into face mist, you ask? Well, I'm going to be adding some copper charged water. The higher pH water. So what happens when we store something in plastic bottles for a long time is plastic converts the contents into slightly acidic. Alkaline water balances that out, and ladies, it removes free radicals, which is the root cause of aging. Need I say more? So, double bonanza. I'm planning on showing you guys all my mists like rice water mist, dry skin, green tea, body shimmer mist. Tell me, would you be interested in those? I put out new videos every week. And this is how our mist looks. Come join me on my Instagram, guys. Let's follow each other there. I post my stories there. Let me know what you guys thought of this video by turning that white thumb blue down there, and by bajao-fying that ghanti over there. Subscribe to my channel. You know why? Just because it's muft. And ladies, the most important thing, you do you. Bye-bye.